Okay, today we're talking about Earth science. This is CK12 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, I believe. And it's talking about lunar and solar eclipses and what causes the difference. Okay, so in order for a solar eclipse to occur, what it is you're going to have the alignment, perfectly alignment of the sun and the moon. This is going to represent the moon and the Earth. And in this case scenario, we know that the moon, right, orbits the Earth. And I'm not sure how often this occurs, but eventually they're all completely aligned. And when this occurs, you can see, so this is going to represent the moon. If you look on the globe here, can you see that, Mrs. Porter?
Yes.
Let me go like this. You can see the shadow of the moon is being cast upon the Earth. So if you're in this certain area on the Earth, okay, and it's perfect, it's like totality where it's perfectly covers over the sun, which is only like 100-mile diameter that when it's on the Earth. And this happened here in the US, back August 21st of 2017. But if you're in the umbra, which is totality, it actually goes dark, okay? So just so you know, a solar eclipse is when the moon, a new moon, passes in front of the sun, okay? So that's what occurs. Now that's what it looks like looking down, like if we were looking down upon the Earth, you can see the shadow. Now, if you come over here, Mrs. Porter, I'm not sure if you can see over here, maybe behind me, what it appears on Earth. Can you see this? This is what it would appear on Earth. See how it blocks out? Does that make sense, Mrs. Porter? Can you see that here?
No, it's the light's too bright.
Are you looking at the moon right here?
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, it's too bright. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, so that's kind of what it is. So it'd be like this. Oh, there you go. Oh, this is perfect. So it'd be like this. The moon is passing in front of the sun, and see how it's blocked it out? Oops, it's rolling too much, but there you go. So that would be a solar eclipse. There we go. All right, cool. And then let's look at a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is simply when you have the alignment again. Here's the Earth, so now you have the sun and the Earth, and then over here, I'm going to have you come over here, Mrs. Porter, because how it works is, if you look at this, we know that the moon does not produce any light; it just reflects the light from the sun. But when you have this perfect alignment between the sun and the Earth and the moon, look what happened. You can see that the moon is bright. However, can you see this as it comes this way? Go a little closer. Is the shadow? Can you see that, Ms. Porter? The shadow of the Earth is cast upon the moon. So I'll come back this way. See how that you can see the moon, but now over here it darkens up because the shadow of the Earth passes over the moon, which causes a lunar eclipse. Can you kind of see that? Does it look fairly decent?
Yeah.
Not bad?
It's
so-so?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder if we can get it better. How about this? Check this out. So it's bright right there. Now there's a shadow. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be a lunar eclipse. All right, that's good.